If you are looking for a project management tool that can handle tasks, team collaboration, documents, goals, and even automation in one place, you have probably heard of ClickUp. In this video, I'll cover ClickUp's main features, its biggest advantages, the downsides you should know about, and whether it's worth using in 2026. And for now, let's get started. What is ClickUp? ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity and project management platform designed for individuals, freelancers, startups, and large teams. And instead of using separate apps for task management, documents, time tracking, and team communication, ClickUp tries to bring everything into one workspace. Key features: task management. The core feature of ClickUp is task management. You can create tasks, subtasks, checklists, priorities, due dates, dependencies, and custom statuses. This makes it suitable for everything from simple to-do lists to complex team projects. Multiple project views. ClickUp offers several ways to view your work, including list view, board view, calendar view, timeline view, Gantt charts. This flexibility allows different teams to manage projects in the style they prefer. Docs and knowledge management. You can create documents directly inside ClickUp and connect them to projects and tasks. This helps keep project information organized without switching between multiple apps. Automation. ClickUp includes automation tools that can handle repetitive actions such as assigning tasks, updating statuses, sending notifications, moving tasks between workflows. This can save teams a lot of time. Time tracking. Built-in time tracking lets users monitor how much time is spent on tasks and projects without needing another tool. ClickUp AI. ClickUp now launches AI features that can help summarize documents, generate content, and assist with project planning. However, AI features usually require an additional paid add-on. Pros: easy to customize. One of ClickUp's biggest strengths is flexibility. You can customize workflows, task fields, dashboards, and views to fit almost any type of business or team. Generous free plan. The free version includes unlimited tasks and many core features, making it a strong option for individuals and small teams. All-in-one platform. Instead of paying for separate tools for documents, goals, task management, and time tracking, ClickUp combines them into a single workspace. Good value for teams. Compared to some competitors, ClickUp offers a huge feature set at relatively affordable pricing levels. Cons: steep learning curve. Because ClickUp offers so many features, new users can feel overwhelmed at first. Some people may need time to learn how everything works. Performance issues. Although ClickUp has improved over the years, some users still report occasional slow loading times and lag, especially in large workspaces. Can feel overcomplicated. For simple task management, ClickUp may actually provide more features than necessary. If you only need a basic to-do list app, it can feel excessive. Extra costs for some features. Some advanced features and AI tools require higher tier plans or additional fees, which can increase costs for larger teams. Pricing. ClickUp offers a free forever plan for individuals and small teams. Paid plans start at around $7 per user per month when billed annually, with higher tier plans adding more automations, advanced reporting, security features, and team management tools. Enterprise pricing is available for larger organizations. Final verdict and conclusion. ClickUp is one of the most feature-rich project management platforms available today. If you need task management, collaboration tools, documents, automation, and reporting in one place, ClickUp offers excellent value and flexibility. However, if you prefer a simple workflow or only need basic task tracking, the platform may feel overwhelming. Overall, ClickUp is a great choice for growing teams, agencies, startups, and businesses that want an all-in-one productivity platform. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and down below if you have used ClickUp before or not, and how was your experience. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.